Hello guys, for today's vlog. Today we're gonna go picnic at Muwasin Park. Yeah, please watch and sub to Elena Jean Canada.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. But first we have to buy food like Cesar's because we're going to Cesar's and we're gonna get Italian bread pizza. Okay.
Dito na kami, malapit lang. 2 minutes drive lang.
Mommy, it's our first destination.
Yeah. There.
No?
That's everything, sir.
Yeah, that's everything.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all me? Yeah. There you go, boss. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Mommy, where's the picture?
Let's go get now. Here you go, bud. Oh. Thank you so much.
Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Thank you. Yay. I catch it, but
Yung park na pupuntahan namin, mga 3 minutes drive lang mula sa aming tirahan. Mainit ngayon. Kanina ang lamig. Uminit bigla.
oh, mommy, that's French bacon. Can we touch the grass? No, at the grass.
Dito na kami sa Muwasin Park.
Yay, Mama.
Noong maliit pa si Enzo, dito namin ginaganap yung birthday party niya.
Yay, camping. No, picnic. Not, I mean, not camping.
Get on the road.
So cool.
Jai.
Yeah.
Ay, Body. Waol mo sa Muwasin pa. Waol mo sa Muwasin pa. So close.
We're here. Hanap lang kami ng parkingan.
When you touch the grass here in Muwasin pa. Muwasin pa. Muwasin pa. 1 minute?
No more parking
Oh no.
here.
Where do we park? Oh no. No.
Puno. Puno yung parking.
Oh no. Or we could just
Yan eh. May palabas oh.
Ano?
Yan oh.
Ano?
Diblo.
Nga, bro.
the blue garbage can.
Buti na lang may lumabas na.
Remember we were walking on the
So, may parkingan na kami.
yeah. No parking? No parking, mommy.
Let's read.
July 7th.
July 7, there's no parking.
July 27.
26 today.
Tomorrow, no parking.
Today is 26. We're good.
Yay!
Yay!
Try mo, mami.
Yay!
Yay! Ito yung gamit namin. Nagdala kami ng tubig, soft drinks. Dinala na din namin yung bike ni Enzo para makapag-bike siya mamaya. Tapos yung mga picnic chair namin.
And picnic bag right there.
Dabag na kayo.
Doon kami. Banda doon. Tay, come on. May mga table naman na pwedeng pagpwestuhan doon, no? Pero ang init doon. Maglatag na lang kami ng banig. Merong nagpa-party dito. Na?
It's moving by itself.
Mm-mm. The pedal.
It's it's a ghost.
Gusto ni Sid doon, pumesto. Andito na kami, maglalatag kami ng banig. Tsaka si Enzo, i-sprayan ko ng
No.
para sa insect kasi madaming insekto kapag summer.
Mama taba.
Ano? I-spray. Remove your helmet.
What? Why? Someone wear my helmet?
No.
Someone
Di pa mo to nagbike ka ah.
Bad.
Spray, spray.
The first that this way is go back. Oh, mommy, you could just go all the way down picture, right? You could just go all the way there. Mommy.
Maganda tong spray na to. Okay din para sa tick, mosquito, black flies.
Mommy, we could just go walk in picture there.
Oh yes. Siya ka pambata ito.
You got my bike. In here. Right now.
Of course, my love. Hey, look. There's insect. Mosquito. Oh my gosh. Nag-spray ka?
What?
Hey! Say hi, my love.
Hi.
Spray ang
Hi. Mommy, it's so hot.
Oh, spicy?
spicy? The water is
You want soda? Ipapakita ko ang 360 degrees na view dito sa park. Ang ganda kapag summer, green na green. Buhay na buhay ang mga grass. Say hi, guys! Hi! Tapos may nagpipiknik din doon. Tapos doon din may dalawang grupo na maraming tao. Tapos doon kami nagparking. Ayan. Ganito lang ang view. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Nag-jacket pala sila kasi medyo malamig. May dala din akong jacket. Andito. Tapos nagdala si Sid ng isang yogurt. Isang spoon. Tapos yun yung lip balm ko, candy. Yung tripod na maliit. Tubig. There's insect?
So hot. Hey.
Put it back, love. I will eat that.
Imas manoken.
Tapos yan yung biscuit na binigay doon sa pinagbilhan namin ng pizza.
Too much insect.
Yeah. Yun lang. Pag summer, daming naglalabasang insekto.
I hope it's winter again.
Not yet. Are you happy, my love?
Yay!
How happy are you?
I'm chilling. 1 hour.
1 to 10.
I want to send 1 hour.
What?
1 hour.
What's the 1 hour?
That's a lot numbers.
Madaming insekto.
Hey, Gaga.
Okay, okay. Kain na din ako.
Nalata ko matay pagsakir mo.
Na that? OMG. Should get the other flavor. Insect. How are you?
Good.
Mama?
Oh, thank you, my love.
And here.
Oh, thank you so much, my love. Bigay ng flour. So spicy.
This is the grand finale.
Thank you.
This is the grand finale.
You show in the camera.
Well,
Oh.
I give this to my mom.
Ano?
I give this to my mommy.
Bilaw ah.
I don't know. I didn't give this to her. I give this to Daddy, and this one is the grand finale. You're welcome. Thank you for almost 2,000 subscribers. Yay! I go there, Ma. After the pizza, can you go there? Can we come there?
Sure.
Okay, I want. I'll go there.
Okay.
Yeah, until you come, I'll just stay there. When you come, I'll stay.
Okay.
You have to come after the pizza, okay?
Huh? Okay na. O, dyan na, dyan na. Hindi ko paborito ang maanghang na pagkain. Di ba ang ganda ng view dito? Maraming nagpipictorial. Yun, no? May couple na magpipictorial. Sina Enzo pupunta sa washroom. Yung washroom dito, malapit doon sa parkingan. Doon sila ni Sid. Naihi daw sila. Ayun yung couple na nagpipictorial. Ang ganda. Nag-jacket na ako kasi ang lamig na. Si Enzo gusto nang mag-bike. Pero hindi sasama si Sid kasi baka kunin yung mga gamit namin. Sana daw nagdala siya ng unan, sabi niya. Si Enzo. That's okay, my love.
Coming.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm gonna bike.
Dinala din namin yung rubber shoes ni Enzo. Gagamitin niya pag mag-bike. Mahirap mag-bike pag nakachinelas. Ready? Okay, let's go. Chuck. May helicopter na dumaan. Kaya maingay.
Maximum shoes I'm wearing.
Wait lang. Ayan. Dito siya magbabike sa may bicycle lane, walkway. Okay. Ano siya? Mainit naman. Doon si Daddy, oh. Nandun siya. Bilis naman. Pack up na kami. Kahit papaano nakapag-relax naman kami. Right, Ensa? Very helpful din itong cart namin, wagon. Galing sa Costco. Pag punta kami sa lake or mga park, gamit na gamit yan. Bibitik tabagan. Dito sa may dulo, may palaruan ng bata, slide, ganon. Akyat-akyat sila. May fountain din dito. Pwedeng inumin. Ito yung washroom. Tapos yan yung parkingan.